Hey guys, I'm Nathan and welcome back to another Combat Custom update. So we got this 2 days ago. Right here. Um it was like a Dartmouth Palo Alto, you know. So that's gonna be the new that's like the new vehicle, what is shown right here. So anyway, okay. It took a while, but Sasha's Dartmouth Polo Alto has finally arrived. At hashtag Combat Customs. Let's go. Hashtag Help Wanted. Hashtag Gearhead Games. Hashtag Car Customization. Hashtag Mobile Gaming. Hashtag Auto Mods. Hashtag Car Culture. Alright, so that's the car. How would you restore it? This was 1 day ago. There are so many possibilities. How will you customize the Polo Alto? How would you restore it? Okay, again, there's no page. See what the comments say. If. Okay, if. Okay. How would you restore it? I would restore it, like this blue one. No, I would restore it. The yellow one? Let's see. What's that? No, I would restore it as the green one. That's what I restored as. Or maybe the blue one. No, the yellow one. I would definitely restore it as the yellow one. Anyway, hold on. I gotta. Sorry. Excuse me. Hold on. Give me a second. Alright, anyway. So I was waiting for a sneeze. Sorry, I was about to sneeze. I'm sorry. Alright, so this was 3 hours ago. July 13th. So the Dartmouth Polo Alto was born of a need for functional fuel influencing. Alright, it is the 13th. Yep. So hashtag Chrome Valley Custom, hashtag car customization, hashtag mobile gaming, hashtag auto mods, hashtag car culture. Alright, any Polo Alto. Okay, the Polo Alto was designed to be lightweight and fuel efficient, as a result of oil embargoes in the 1970s. Dartmouth, a straight 2.4L engine came standard on the Palo Alto. Deluxe editions featured a V4 for extra power. Customers love the Polo Alto's adaptability. Dartmouth sold it as a family couple convertible and utility pickup. Every Polo Altos are highly sought after by collectives and restores parts of really, my goodness, models in unusual colors. Alright, that's it. Alright, so that's it. That was the That's it. That's Chrome Valley Custom. Oh, it seemed like they hit 1,000 subscribers. I can see that right now. Anyway, wait, did I? I think I, I think they hit. I think they hit the $1,000. The $1,000, 1,000 subscribers. Um, when I was reading the year I don't know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, that was Chrome Valley Custom update, and I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, go down the description, you'll find everything that you need. I'm not active on Facebook, and I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, see you next time. Oh, guys, I forgot. So, so I'm gonna be posting two more videos after this video. So there will be 3 videos today. So yeah, it's about Chrome Valley Custom update. Just a reminder, I forgot, but now I'm saying it. Anyway, see you next time.